Oh, hey guys, I'm so sorry. I did not realize you were there. I was actually just getting ready to come and tell you guys about this amazing skincare product that has changed my life. Just give me a few moments and I'll be right back, okay? Guys, now that I am back and settled, so today I want to talk to you about this product that I am reviewing today. And this product is the vitamin C and E serum, hyaluronic acid, and this product is amazing, guys. And yeah, I'm just so excited to talk to you guys about it. So before I jump into the video, I just want to let you guys know, just in case you're new here, that my name is Crystal Diamond and my channel is about lifestyle, hair and beauty and style. So just before I jump into the product, guys, I just want to show you what it looks like. So this is the box that it comes in. It's just a small box, just a small regular box, and this is what the brand looks like. Just make sure that focus. So that's what it looks like, and it's called Yeouth. That's the brand, and it's the vitamin C and E serum, hyaluronic acid. So this is what the actual product looks like, guys. So it's a small, comes in a small size bottle, and it's a serum, so you can tell that it's actually a clear serum. It's very clear, and it comes with a bit where you can actually squirt it out, so it's easy for you to get it out of the bottle so you can apply it to your skin. I like the size of it because it's easy to carry, so if you're going on holiday or just anywhere really, it doesn't take up a lot of space. You just could bring in your handbag or in your suitcase, whatever it is. But yeah, I like it. And in terms of the smell, this is, honestly guys, you cannot smell anything. Like, you can smell something, but it's not like a perfumey smell. It just smells really natural. So I really like that about the product. And in terms of myself, I just want to give you a bit of information about my skin before I tell you how this product has helped me. However, just be reminded that this product is for all skin types, so it doesn't matter if you've got dry skin or oily skin, it will work. So basically, my skin type, I've got a oily skin. I do get more oil in these areas, but I've got an overall oily skin. And I've always suffered from hyperpigmentation. Like, it's crazy. Like, basically, I've been to doctors, I've tried so many things for my skin, and nothing really ever works. Like, even if something works, it works and then it stops. But with this product, guys, my skin is a lot smoother. So when I put on my foundation, for example, for this product, when I put on my foundation, like, my skin wasn't all that smooth, but now that I've been using this, my skin is a lot smoother. And then one massive thing that I love about this product is that my skin is now becoming one-toned. And then in terms of my hyperpigmentation, they're fading, like completely fading. And it's just amazing because I know a lot of people suffer from hyperpigmentation, and there's not much out there that can really get rid of it and get rid of it in a natural way. You know, some products out there are like really harsh, and then other products work and then they stop. So for me, my skin has become a lot smoother, it has become a lot brighter, and I look more radiant. And overall, that is like it just makes me look happier overall, because if you've got a nicer skin, you become happier within yourself. So this is definitely done that. So in terms of how to apply this product, honestly, like, this is actually one of my favorite things about the product, because for me, when I wash my face, I usually let my face hair dry, because as I said, I've got really sensitive skin. So I'm always letting my face hair dry rather than using anything to, you know, to dry my face. But with this product, you do have to actually apply it on a damp face, so you should not dry your face first, and I love that about it. So instead of me leaving my skin to hair dry, I just apply my serum and let my skin absorb that. So I'm going to read directly from the product, and I would say to apply it. So basically it says, use this product during the day. For better results, apply to a damp face After cleansing, spritz face with Yeouth Balancing Facial Toner or water. Apply a dime-sized amount of Yeouth Vitamin C and E Serum onto damp face. Do not allow your face to dry before applying. Safe to apply around the eye area. Allow to absorb, then fill in with the Yeouth Day and Night Cream. So it's very easy to apply, and if you notice it says dime size. So because you're applying it to a damp face, it's easier for the product to like spread. So you don't really, basically if you get this bottle, it will last you for a good couple amount of weeks, because you know you're only applying a small amount, and a small amount goes a long way. So I really like that about the product, that it lasts. So it's like you get your money's worth basically, which is amazing. So guys, now that you see what the product looked like, I think it's important for me to tell you how useful this product is, what it does, and how it can be useful for your skin. So just reading from the box, Yeouth Vitamin C and E Serum with hyaluronic acid. So it says medical grade moisturizing serum, plumps and tightens skin. It has powerful anti-aging formula. It reduces pore size. It gets rid of dark spots and signs of aging caused by UV exposure, and it reveals brighter and a more radiant skin. It is also non-greasy, and it's great for all skin types, and it is 100% guaranteed. In addition to that, it helps to improve the texture and tone for an all-over brighter and smoother complexion. It deeply hydrates and restores moisture levels. It helps to protect the skin from harmful free radicals. It restores skin vibrancy and reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles. So guys, if you want to get rid of your hyperpigmentation, if you want to reduce your pore size, if you want to look more radiant, and just so much more, what you can do is go click the link below to order this product. It's all in my description. Check out their social media page and you will see lots more information. Yeah, it's amazing. There's not much more I can say about it. Oh, except one more thing, it is non-greasy. So I know a lot of people have problems with applying greasy products to their face, but this is non-greasy, so it does not leave your skin oily. So I love that about it, because when I apply it, if I want to put on makeup after, then I can do, because my face isn't greasy. I like that about the product. So yeah, it's as I mentioned before, it's for all skin type, and it is absolutely perfect. And just to give you a background about the vitamins and what the vitamins do for your skin, what hyaluronic acid does, it is a naturally occurring compound in your skin. It attracts natural molecules, absorbing and holding moisture, plumping and evening out your skin. For the vitamin C, what that does, it free radicals damage collagen, causing dryness and wrinkles. It is known to slow free radicals caused by sun exposure. And then the vitamin C, it acts as a boost to your skin's ability to deal with harmful UV rays. Vitamin E also works hard to build a protective barrier for your skin, allowing it to retain moisture. But I hope you find this information helpful. I hope you do check out this product, and I hope you find this review really helpful as well. If you do have any questions at all, just drop me a comment and I will be sure to answer your questions, and if I cannot answer them, I will direct you to the right person to ask, or direct you to their page. But as I said, all the information will be down below for you to have a look at. So yes, like I can definitely tick off every single thing that the product said it will do, like in terms of how it has helped me. I've got a brighter skin, you know, my tone is becoming one-toned, my pores are a lot smaller, I look more radiant, my pigmentation is clearing up. Like, it's amazing. And I love the fact that you can apply it beneath your eyes, because a lot of other products that I use is always like avoid eye area, but this is like very safe for you to use all over your face, which is great. And honestly, you will see results within weeks. I mean, with some people it might vary. Like, I started seeing results within weeks. For other people it might take a little bit of time. It just depends on your skin. but one thing to note is that it works 100%. So guys, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment just to let me know what you think and if you are going to try this product. Thank you so much for your time and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.